Today we're working on the 1983 Porsche 944, Porsche 944. Every single speaker in this car is blown except for the one in the back seat on the driver's side. So I looked it up and supposedly these R-463Ns, 4x6 speakers, fit in the doors. So we're gonna start there. I've seen a lot of these cones blow. I mean, it's a 39-year-old car, so probably dries up, gets brittle. So we're gonna pop this grill off, see what we have. And hopefully this is a quick little mod here to get some stereo going. Well, you know what's real interesting is that cone doesn't look messed up. So what now I'm concerned that it's the stereo. But let's see if we can't pop this out. Well, if it wasn't broken before, it's not doing so hot now. Jesus. Here. That is some... Alright. Maybe that's part of the problem. What screw? There was a screw on it. There's like glue failing all over it. Jeepers. Okay. Let's see if we can't just plug and pray. I don't know if that's going to work too well. We're just trying to get this connector to be a little bit tighter. Alright, that's definitely on there now. And now we try not to break it. Alright, so of course, I figured it all out. Camera off. Because that's just how I do. So what happened was, we get the speaker in, you sneak the grill over like this, so that keeps, it's not the grill, but this like metal, we'll call it a washer, with the lip outward to keep the grill off of the speaker, basically. And then we put the, you can pop this grill out just like that. Then you put the grill over it, start screwing in top to bottom. That gives enough space for the grill shroud thing to be off the speaker so the speaker doesn't hit it. And then you just pop the grill on. It's a little tricky because it doesn't, you know, want to go on there perfectly, obviously. Because that would just be too easy. Too easy, lemon squeezy. But something along those lines. You just sneak her on like that. And then you've got your new speaker and it works beautifully. Real beautifully.